Hello YouTube, we are back with another video and we are on the way to Lake Smith, Lake Lawson. We have been here before, but I'm pretty sure it was like midday when we went the first time. And right now it is about to be sunset. So before you get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG, Dominic B_photography. Link will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go there. And we have made it. So I think it is about that time that we get strapped in. Should I do a path? Let's just go ahead and do a path picture just to get the ball rolling. It smells poopy in here. I think I like the landscape better. I actually don't know. Was it winter? It might have been winter last time I came. I don't know if it was fall or winter. I don't remember it being like orange or like orangey, like folly. Folly. I keep saying folly. Last time I came, so I'm not sure. I kind of want to get these like purple leaves in there. Maybe this. I don't know what's jumping out the water. Maybe this though. Turn down the. You still can't really see it. I really need a zoom lens, bro. I kind of like the shot still though. Well, like it is a little maybe too dramatic. I don't know if there's a picture to take, honestly, that I haven't taken. Yeah, like we have like two different perspectives kind of going on, but maybe going up, kind of like this, going up. I actually don't know if I came this way last time. I like it. I kind of want these plants as the foreground. Let's see how it looks. And then we're going to take a lower. There we go. I like that one. Oh, actually, let's see how this looks. Nah, let's actually get closer to this one. Take a picture of the pier, even though there's people up there, so whatever. Nah. Yeah, because I really like having like a foreground. So we use some of the leaves as a foreground. I like this. I actually like this. The bushes kind of covering up the. And turn on the ISO, covering up the pier. I just realized I didn't turn down the shutter speed. We'll do a vertical of this too. Portrait, sorry. It's so weird saying portrait when there's no like. I kind of want to take one that just appear. I know it's gonna look good in the fall. This place. Oh, whoops. Because we already got some red leaves coming out. thing. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna try to get it so you can, but no promises. With the tree right there. I love that all of these are exposed already and I don't have to do anything. I don't think I've ever been this way before. I've definitely been this way before. I don't know why I said that. Because I remember taking this picture. I don't know why it just looks so different. All these dragonflies. Let's sit down and take this picture. Actually, this looks good too. I'm not gonna cap. Like this, let's turn on this bench with the pink trees, or not the pink trees, but the pink flowers in it. Because the sky is gonna be a little white. I'm remembering now. It stinks. I kind of want to get these stumps too. Just to see how they turn out. Maybe something like this. We'll do a couple of pictures. Oh my gosh, look how much grass has grown right here. Wow. It's funny, I took this exact same picture. We'll try to make it a little different though. Maybe get some of this grass in it. don't know if this grass is already right here. I actually really don't know. I can't remember. I really can't. You know, I feel like I took that picture too, I'm not gonna lie. Don't know if I took this picture though. I probably did. Now what's missing from this place is coming back in the fall. I don't want to get this. Let's get some of this blue hour. It's crazy how fast it turned blue hour, honestly. I might like it with like the tree better. Hello YouTube. I decided to not wait till I got back in the car to do the outro. I think that turned out pretty good. I can't wait to look at these pictures, see what I can do in the editing. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow IG _photography. Next time we'll be out here, it's probably in the fall, and I'm talking about this like specific area. I will see you in the next video.